The four friends were on a spacewalk, conducting repairs to the exterior of the International Space Station. They were all experienced astronauts, and they had worked together on many missions before. But this time, something went wrong. A sudden solar flare knocked out the station's power, and the four friends were suddenly stranded in the vacuum of space. They were completely cut off from the station, and they had no way to communicate with Earth. The friends quickly realized that they were in a life-or-death situation. They had to find a way to survive until they could be rescued. They started by using their emergency oxygen tanks. They also used their spacesuits to shield themselves from the harsh radiation of space. The friends then began to drift away from the station. They were moving at a slow speed, but they knew that they would eventually run out of oxygen. "We have to do something," said one of the friends, a woman named Jessica. "We can't just drift out here forever." "I know," said another friend, a man named Mark. "But what? We're completely cut off." The friends were silent for a moment, each one trying to come up with a plan. "There's that small shuttle docked to the station," said Jessica. "If we could reach it, we could use it to get back to Earth." "It's worth a try," said Mark. "But it's going to be a long swim." The friends agreed that this was their only chance. They began to swim towards the shuttle, using their jetpacks to propel themselves through the void. It was a long and difficult journey, but eventually, they reached the shuttle. They boarded the shuttle and began to prepare for the journey back to Earth. "We need to conserve our oxygen," said Jessica. "We don't know how long it's going to take us to get back." "I'll keep an eye on the gauges," said Mark. "Just focus on flying." Jessica nodded and began to pilot the shuttle. She had never flown a shuttle before, but she knew that she had to do it now. The lives of her friends depended on her. Jessica flew the shuttle for hours, carefully navigating through the darkness of space. She was exhausted, but she knew that she couldn't stop. She had to keep going, for her friends. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Jessica saw a faint light in the distance. It was Earth. Jessica smiled and increased the shuttle's speed. She was almost home. The friends landed safely on Earth and were greeted by a team of NASA scientists. The scientists were overjoyed to see the friends, and they were eager to hear their story. The friends told the scientists about the solar flare and how it had knocked out the station's power. They also told them about their journey back to Earth. The scientists were amazed by the friends' story, and they were grateful that they had survived. They also congratulated the friends on their bravery and determination. The friends were relieved to be back on Earth, and they were glad to be reunited with their loved ones. They had survived a harrowing experience, and they had learned a valuable lesson about the importance of teamwork and friendship. They had also learned that anything is possible if you never give up hope. The friend's story is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope. It is also a reminder that friendship and teamwork can overcome any obstacle.